Hello, so this is the first look of 3ds Max. If we open 3ds Max, we can see quite a few options over here. Also on our right, this is the control panel. We can see there's 4 different viewports, top, front, left, and perspective. Also, there's a few more options over here. On the right bottom corner, we can see that we can maximize a viewport if we click this one. So it will have a full screen. This is a shortcut. We can just click on this. Whichever viewport we will be on, it will maximize to that viewport. We can also, from this plus option over here, we can also look that there's an shortcut, which is also plus W. So there's a few options, few shortcuts that we will eventually know. There's also an option if we want to remove the grades, we can just click on show grades and it will be gone, or the shortcut is G. We can have a look from this. On this control panel from the geometry, we can see we do have different type of shapes. So that is the first thing and the basic thing how we can start 3ds Max. If we click on the box and we can just click and drag, and we can just take it up or down, and there's already a few segments. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see all the parameters are over here. So we can change the length, we can change the width or the height. And there's already a few segments. We can also change the segments just like that. And if we want, we can also hide the segments. If we click on this one, Edged Faces, and we can remove. If we don't want to look at the segments, we can also do that. So this is just a basic shape, how we can create. Also, there's a few more options for example, just for cone, we can just maximize the screen. And for cone, we can take this, take it up, and we can make it a sharp edge or not too much, just change it like that. In the parameters, again, we can change all the options. Like for the radius one at the bottom, we can change that radius. We can change the radius 2 and make it more pointy and sharp, change the height. Also we can change all these segments like that. There's a few more shape options. Just for example, a teapot, we can just click on that. Also change the radius, make it bigger or small. If we change the segments for teapot, it will also look a little bit different. So the more segment the teapot will have, it will be more smooth. We can just change it like this. So these are mostly the basic shapes, how we can get it and how we can adjust the shapes from the parameters over here.